So guys, we're going to talk about a very interesting SMM right now called MIUI Mix, which is available for MIUI 12 devices, Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro. You can install this. Which are the things you get here? I got some bit of very interesting things to share with you. Everything else is the same as it's MIUI 12.6 based, and you can also say it's China beta based, which means the new China beta features are already present here. Which are the things you get here? I'm going to talk about all those things. The things are pretty much same as it is also based on Android version 11. Android version 11 has all the features for you and also includes some MIUI 13 related features etc available for you. Which are the features we're going to talk about in this? We're going to talk about that. Now let's get started quickly. Okay, so what we're going to talk about here is first of all the MIUI 13 file manager. As expectedly, it comes with the MIUI 13 file manager for you. By the way, this file manager has very good UI in my opinion. Alongside with that, we have the new Game Turbo available for you. I've tried this Game Turbo, it was working perfectly fine. It has a new UI, as you can see, also English language, clear memory, TNT, screenshot, record, etc. It also includes this balanced and performance mode for you. So yes, if you're a gamer, then this is a very good thing for you. Unfortunately, this Game Turbo is still not present for the AOSP based custom ROMs, but we have very interesting developers available. So you might get the Game Turbo also very soon for all other devices. Right now it's not available, but we can expect this very soon. These are the things you get about this new Game Turbo. And if you talk about some other things in Game Turbo etc, things are pretty much working. Brightness etc does not have any kind of issues. It also comes with the new video toolbox for you. In this new video toolbox, you can see the record option etc. I tried recording videos etc, and I tried playing and using for this video toolbox related things. The things were working fine. Recording option was working, screenshot was working too. New video toolbox has all these features available. Also, best thing about this port is that it's supported ROM, but still safety status is passing. By the way, it's not passing by default. The safety status is passing, but you need to use module for that, and which is the model which I'm talking about. First of all, this is the safety status which I am having right now. If you're having any kind of issues with SafeNet failed etc, then you need to use the Magisk Guide. I'm also using the latest Magisk version which is called Zygisk, and I made a video just yesterday that you are getting this Zygisk, which means Magisk Guide option is not available here. Alongside with that, no repository available, which means you will not be able to use the online modules from this Magisk app. So yes, the new things are coming here. Right now I'm having some issues with this, but yes, we're gonna hope for the good things very soon in the upcoming future. Let's just talk about the MIUI 13, this media controller, which is already present as expected. It's also there in the control center. You can see, if you like this, you will definitely use this. Everything else is same. The performance is, I'm not saying it's awesome, but still it's better, which I was expecting. It's far better than that. In the terms of other options, some users were reporting that they're not getting the themes import option in the themes app. Yes, it is there, don't worry about that. You can import the third-party themes if you want to. MTZ files are available for you. I made some videos on themes also on my Hindi channel, and I always share, so if you want to check out those themes, you can. I've also applied some custom themes that you can see. I've applied the 1x legacy icons, the new wallpaper from backdrops, and everything else you already know. In the terms of features etc, I don't see any major changes as it's based on 21.9.8 beta version, so all the features from that versions are already included. For example, here you get all these options, special features and screen time etc. In the terms of privacy protection related things are pretty much same. You have the new protection features. For example, you get the incognito mode. Let me show you. This is the feature I was talking about, secure input lock apps. Some good features in Xiaomi. Yes, it has some jokes about privacy, but some features are quite impressive. In the terms of other options, face lock fingerprint was working fine. I have turned off the face lock, but I checked that it was working perfectly fine too. In the terms of default launcher etc, does not have any kind of major issues. Everything else is working fine. These are things I just want to let you know. And now let's talk about very interesting thing. If you move on to display settings, and you can customize the refresh rate. Of course, you cannot customize it officially, and this is not working at all, but yes, it's there. And if you want to make prank of someone, then this is a very good thing. 120 Hz refresh rate, of course this device does not support that, and this will not work at all. But yes, if you want to take a feeling, just go and install this. Everything else I've already shown you. These were things I just want to let you know about this latest update, MIUI Mix related things. Let's just talk about the bugs. Heating, charging animation, and MTP. These are the bugs which I got. Heating might be the things you get here. Charging animation you can fix with this, and MTP you can also fix. The fix things link is also in the description. These were the ratings. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.